Let's talk about watering mistakes. Actually, 5 of them, and why you are doing it wrong. So mistake number 1 is that you water most probably on the surface of the soil, but not the soil itself. And what does it mean? Well, many of us used to water, even I myself, when I used to grow plants when I was a kid, I would just pour the water on the surface of the soil and I would think I watered it, right? Mistake number 2 is when you water the plants on the leaves, basically when you pour this water on the leaves and not on the soil. Why this is harmful? Because many plants don't like to be wet in terms of, sitting or having the water on themselves. Number 3 is never ever water your plants on schedule. Why? Because you cannot predict how the soil will behave and how the roots will behave, because we don't know when the soil will get dry, when your plant will absorb the water. Mistake number 4 is watering with the wrong water. What does it mean? It means that some of you may water just directly from the tap water. You take the tap water and you water the plants. While for some of us this may be quite normal and this will work, for many of us this will not, because we have so many nutrients, salts, everything else that we have in our tap water, but the plants don't need it. And with the time, the salts, these nutrients, these minerals can accumulate in the soil, will harm the roots, and of course the plant will suffer. And the next mistake is watering and letting your plants sit in the water. Maybe you use a plastic pot and under it there is a dish, or you use a plastic pot and you put the plant in the plastic pot in a ceramic pot just for the beauty, right? And when you water your plants, the water goes through the soil and goes into the pot or into the plate, and you let your plant basically sit in this water. The roots are constantly in the water, and if you don't have, high temperatures, if it's not summer, that the water can evaporate quickly and the soil will get dry. Basically what happens is your plant sits in the water for 2-3 days.